I'm happy to say your treatment is finally complete.
Really? Thank you, doctor.
Take care of yourself. Your wounds have healed. You're free to live your life any way you want.
But I'm not healed. I have a stomachache. I have a fever. I think my antlers are breaking.
You're fine.
Please don't do this, doctor. I don't have any friends. I don't have anywhere else to go. I promise I won't be any trouble. I swear.
Go away!
No. Why? Please don't. No.